Alright guys, so while I was out here, I decided why not take the 1/16 Erevo and do a couple of passes. Because I did go ahead and I switched the high-speed gearing in. So I went from the low-speed pinion to the high-speed pinion. And if you remember, the last time I brought this here, with these foam wheels and tires, we got 43 miles per hour. So I'm super interested to know what we're going to pick up running the high-speed gearing on these foam tires. Still got the front suspension cantilevers kind of strapped down with a rubber band just to keep the stance a little bit lower. And we are going to be running 2 of these Nikoma high drive packs, so 2 1200 milliamp 7.2 volt Traxxas power cell packs. And we're going to be running a series connector, so voltage of the connected batteries combined for increased speed. And we're going to see what we can get. I don't know how well it's going to hook up just because there's so much grit on the ground. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, gonna attempt a top speed run with the 1/16 Erevo. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna take it down there and we're gonna come by and do a pass. Let's bring it this way, guys. That does not look very fast. Bring it this way. I'm pinned. Okay, gonna bring it back and check what we got. .3 is the most we just got, but 43 is the most we got with the other pinion setup. Now I'm a little bit confused because I switched the gearing out. I switched to the high-speed gearing, but our speed is slower. So now we're 4 miles per hour slower because 43 is what we got before. So 39 miles per hour. I don't really know what to think. But anyway guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. Later.